It's really exciting for me because I'm actually singing outside of the church. And I've been joking with my cousins, the Jetsons, telling them, I'm a pulpit singer. I sing behind the pulpit and at the podium. That's my comfort zone. And so I know that it's time for me to step away from that. And so I am grateful to them for giving me this opportunity to share my music and to share a part of me. And so the songs that we're going to sing are songs that I've written. And so this first song that we're going to sing is a song that I wrote when I was 18. And I had graduated from high school. And I had a lot of time on my hands. And I wanted to serve a mission really bad. So I wrote this song. And I hope you enjoy it. The song's called My Lord. My Lord is my shepherd, is my strength, my will. He keeps me moving, He keeps me pressing on. The Lord has so many blessings, so much He's given me, and I appreciate all the sacrifice.